In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Amazon Alexa keep stopping error on your Amazon Alexa app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering this error, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix your app. In most cases, if you are encountering this, it's because your app has encountered a glitch or your app has a bug. For that, we need to take some few steps to fix this. First, to fix this, go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings, go to apps. From apps, you need to go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Amazon Alexa, and from here, first go to stop the app to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then you want to go to clear data and clear all cache, and again clear all data. For this, you need to restart now your smartphone, and once you have restarted your phone, go to your Amazon Alexa app, and if you open, everything should be okay. But should this fail, then you want to check and see if there is an update on your phone. That is the second method. For this, just go to your phone and look for Google Play Store or App Store. If you open, search for your Amazon Alexa app and find out if we have an update. For that, update your app before you can open and start using it. At this point, now everything should be okay. But most likely, even after doing this, you might still encounter that error. If you still encounter that error, then most likely your Amazon Alexa app has been hit by a bug. For that, you need to uninstall your Amazon Alexa app and install it afresh. That will remove the bug from your phone. However, even after doing this, if you still encounter this challenge, then you want to check if you are using any VPN or any proxy app. Go ahead and uninstall or turn off the VPN before you use Amazon Alexa app. This is because some apps like Amazon Alexa might misbehave when VPN is turned on. However, even if this fails, most likely Amazon Alexa might have experienced a server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes and try using your app. However, if the app fails completely, you might also try and use the web-based version and see if you can use the app without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.